Hi everyone and welcome to today's podcast. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. How can a student who has passed only 10th standard to learn English confidently? Many students believe that English is a very difficult language. Some think that only students from English medium schools can speak fluently English. Others feel say because they make mistakes in grammar or pronunciation. But truth is simple. Any student can learn to speak English confidently with regular practice, patience, and the right strategy. If you are completed only 10th standard, you already have enough ability to begin your English speaking journey. You do not need expensive coaching, a foreign teacher, or perfect grammar knowledge. You need four powerful habits. First one is listening. Second one is reading. Third one is thinking. And fourth one is speaking. These four skills are the foundation of confident English communication. Do you know why English speaking is important? English is an international language. It is used in education, business, technology, interviews, and communication with people from different countries. If you can speak English confidently, you can perform well in interviews, participate in group discussion, study from international resources, build confidence, start a YouTube channel, communicate globally, access better career opportunities. English is not just a language, it is a tool that opens many doors. Common problems faced by students. Many students face these challenges like fear of making mistakes, limited vocabulary, difficulty understanding spoken English, translating every sentence from Hindi to English, lack of speaking partners, low confidence, poor communication, poor pronunciation. These problems are normal. Every learner experiences them. The solution is to the solution is to practice the four core skills consistently. I talk about listening. The first step to speaking. A child learn to speak by listening before speaking. The same principle applied to English. If you learn to English regularly, your brain begins familiar with pronunciation, intonation, sentence patterns, common expressions. How listening helps. When you hear sentences repeatedly, your brain start storing them naturally. For example, after hearing "How are you?" many times, you can use it without translating. What to listen to? English podcast. You should listen English podcast, YouTube videos, audio books, news channels, interviews, movies with subtitles. Listening practice routine. Listen to a short 2 to 5 minute audio. Replay it. Repeat each sentence loud. Copy the speaker's pronunciation. This technique is called shadowing. Daily listening goal 50 to 30 minutes. Listening builds the foundation of fluency. Next is reading, building vocabulary and sentence pattern. Reading exposes you to new words and correct grammar. When you read, you learn vocabulary, sentence structures, ideas, and expressions. You can read newspaper, child's story, interested story, motivational book. How to read effectively? Read slowly, underline new words, guess meaning from context, use a dictionary if needed, read loud. Daily reading goal 2 to 3 pages or one short article. Reading gives you the raw material for speaking. Next is thinking in English. You should try to think in English. The secret of fluency. Thinking is the secret of thinking is the secret to fluency. Most learners think in Hindi and translate into English, which slows speaking. To become fluent, train your mind to think directly in English. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I am going to college. Today is very hot. I need to complete my assignment. How to practice? Benefit of thinking in English. Faster speaking, better sentence formation, less hesitation. Thinking in English contacts your mind directly to the language. Next is speaking, the final step to confidence. Speaking transforms passive knowledge into active skill. You do not become fluent by only reading and listening. You become fluent by speaking. How to start speaking? Speak in front of a mirror for 5 minutes daily. Self recording. Record your voice and listen to it. Talk to friends. Practice with classmates. Use AI and apps. Speak with language learning tools like ChatGPT AI tool. You can talk with AI teacher. Important role of speaking. Speak without worrying about mistake. Mistakes are events that you are learning. Mistakes are evidence that you are learning. Important rule. Speak without worrying about mistakes. Mistakes are evidence that you are learning. The role of vocabulary. Vocabulary is essential, but you do not need thousands of words. Start with common words used in daily life. Learn meaning, pronunciation, uses. The role of grammar. Many person think grammar is a very big thing, but I think grammar is nothing. It is a time. Grammar is important, but it should support speaking, not stop it. Focus first on basic tenses like present simple, present continuous, past simple, future simple. For example, I go to college. I am studying. I completed my homework. I will prepare for my exam. Use grammar as a guide, not a barrier. The role of pronunciation. Pronunciation takes an important role to speak fluent English, confidently English. Correct pronunciation makes your speech clear. Improve Improve pronunciation by listening carefully, repeating after native speakers, recording yourself, using online dictionaries, using online dictionaries, overcoming fear and hesitation. Many person feel hesitation during speaking with their friend. Fear is the biggest obstacle. Fear is the biggest obstacle. Fear is the biggest obstacle. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. Confidence grows with practice. Communication matters more than perfection. I think I think the person who speak confidently is better than the speaker who speak 100% correct but without confidence. Daily 30-minute practice plan. 10-minute listening. 10 minutes 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes reading, 5 minutes thinking in English, 5 minutes speaking. Importance of communication skills. English speaking is only one part of communication. Good communica- good communication also includes listening actively because good listener can become good speaker. Because good listener can become good speaker. Clear pronunciation, body language, because body language shows our confidence. Eye contact, confidence. These skills help in interviews. Present. These skills help in interviews, presentations, and public speaking. Real life example. Suppose you want to say, "Today I attend my college class. The teacher explained a new topic. I found it interesting." This sentence use vocabulary, grammar, and confidence built through all four skills. Useful English sentences. I am trying to improve my English. I practice with the day. Mistakes help to learn. Confidence comes from practice. I can do it. Message to students from small towns and villages. Nowadays, social media is very helpful for us because by the help of social media, any person can learn English very effectively. A Hindi medium school or live in a village, you can still become an excellent English speaker. Your background does not limit your future. Your consistency determines your success. Do you know English is a skill, not a language? English is a skill, not a talent. and a skill can be learned through practice. Listening trains your ears, reading builds vocabulary, thinking develops fluency, and speaking create confidence. Practice these four skills every day and you will gradually become a confident English speaker. Do not wait to become perfect before speaking because many person wait to become perfect. I think that day never comes. Start speaking today. Every one sentence per day is progress. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.